Hello guys, today we prepare the spaghetti with sea urchins. The very important things that you find the right quality. The one that outside is brown, red, a little bit green, not the black one. The really black one inside are empty, but if you buy from the fisherman it's easier. Also because in some country they are protected, so be careful. After you need a scissor to cut it, to open it. There is a specific instrument, but naturally I am in holiday, so I cannot find it. We can use the scissor. This is the scissor that usually I use to cut my hair. And also I am here on the balcony because in this way the light is better. After that we open a few of them, I will clean all of them and we move inside to cook our spaghetti. Come. Okay. Clean all our sea urchins, sorry for my pronunciation. We can go ahead with the recipe preparing the pasta. In the description or in the comment of the video I will put the link to buy these already clean on Amazon. If you find the fresh one, even better. If not, you can use the other one, because these spaghetti with ricci di mare, they are very spectacular, so you should try it. Okay, upon 500 grams of fresh sea urchins or 40 grams of pulp from the sea urchins, we will use 250 grams of spaghetti, 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a few leaves of parsley. Be careful with the parsley, don't put too much parsley, if not the pasta will miss the taste of the sea, but will taste only parsley. 1 tablespoon of wine, white wine, and when our pasta is ready we can put a pinch of black pepper. Also black pepper, not exaggerate, because we want to taste the sea, the taste of the sea. Okay, first of all we put the oil and the garlic. Okay, when the garlic starts frying we can add the parsley. You can see there are very few leaves, 6-7 leaves. And after the spoon of the wine. Here on the pot I put already the water. I will add the salt in the water and after we will add the pasta. Naturally the parsley you should cut in small pieces. This is what's happened when you change house and kitchen every time. So this induction stove is very strong. Now the oil is not hot anymore, I can put here again. So the water is boiling. Now we add the salt. Okay. And we should remove the pasta al dente. So we will cook 7-8 minutes in the water and after we complete our pasta inside the pot with the sea urchins. Now I will add little bit more than half of our sea urchins inside the pot. The oil is not very hot anymore, perfect, because we don't want to overcook our sea urchins. This is the problem when always you change kitchen, but we are in holiday, so we should use the things that we find. Now I will put the pasta in the dish, a little bit of sea urchins on the top, a little bit of pepper, and we taste it. I also keep 2 of them still with the spikes to make a nice decoration in the dish. Spectacular, you can taste the sea or the ocean in your mouth. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. Any question down in the comments. They are very spectacular, and after there is no price eating these spaghetti on the balcony with the sea in the background. Bye bye.